I'm Angel, welcome back to my channel. Today it's about 100 degrees in sunny Florida and I got my sunny chopper here with me. I just finished the yellow paint on it and I'm going to be putting it back together. In the last video you saw me put the tires on and get it stanced for the engine placement. I am also putting in a little seal that goes into the top of the engine to stop oil from leaking over. You can see some videos of me online, including my own video from the rat's hole where people are asking if it's going to blow up and it's smoking pretty bad, but it is completely fine. It was just spitting some oil. So I'm going to be putting the little bit that didn't arrive yet in time for bike week in now and putting it all back together. You can see me work on my bike on my Playboy account, playboy.com/pokahotness. The link is in the end of the video or in my .card profile. I'm about to be leaving for my tour around the United States for the next 4 months, starting with Party at the Pen and ending at Smokeout. I'll be putting my calendar up on my profile so you can see the final results of what I ended up landing on going to do. Or check out my Instagram at angel_of_anarchy or at pokahotness. Alright, so there's just this little piece right here. I got this from Partzilla. Focus here. This tiny little part here, this little rubber seal that I'm pretty sure I had, but I dropped it and I couldn't find it. So, yep, when I took apart my engine. We had just a piece of fabric tied here to try to hold off some of the oil, but we don't need that anymore. Let me turn it off. My hands are all I'm going to pull this old seal out. No, I need to do the top over here. Yeah. I'm going in circles and that's all. Yeah. Still looks a little bit out of it. That looks good, right? almost done putting it back together. It's been a long day and a half fitting things back on here and adjusting them to make them look more clean than they did before. My wiring is all back up under. I forgot to do a bracket for my, I don't know, this thing that's under here. My brain isn't fucking working right now. And I forgot to do fork dampeners, buy fork dampeners, so I'm going to have to figure out, I think, how to use some risers and put them in over here and then do chains like I had before, but with risers so my paint doesn't crack. I fit my exhaust of my new exhaust on. Looks better than it's looked previously. And now decided that my fender was not straight enough and not good enough, so I cut my sissy bar off and decided to revamp it. So here's what the bike looks like. All painted. Biker Bob's invention. So I don't crack my paint. Straightened out the sissy bar and fender. She came in contact with the handlebar, but your mom's chopper suggested doing gold because I don't have the same paint. Biker Bob suggested doing a star, but I'm going to try to color match with the 2 cans of paint I have and get some 2K on the road because we're about to head out. Find me and the Sailor Jerry's chopper at my various fixins. Scrape on the tank, fillable sandable primer, and then some of the same paint for the tank. Wet sand it out and then hit it with a 2K clear again. I gotta order it to Georgia because I'm not gonna be here to pick any up, and you can't just pick any up from a store. So it's gonna be like that for a bit until I get to Georgia. And then took it for a test ride and my back tire locked up. So I'm taking that apart and it looks like nothing's wrong, but it definitely locked up. I bent my screw here. Yeah. Fun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I finished my Sailor Jerry's chopper, and thanks for watching me break it down and put it back together. My first show is Party at the Penn East in Mansfield, Ohio. I don't know if this video will be out before then, but if it is, see you there. Subscribe to my Playboy online. You can watch me along the road and some beautiful locations, do some heinous things.